We are diving into the most anticipated drone release of the year, a device reportedly set to break every rule in the sub-249-gram category. This is the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. If you thought previous iterations reached the ceiling of what a compact drone could achieve, the latest verified leaks and supply chain insights suggest otherwise. DJI appears to be preparing a specialized machine that fits in the palm of your hand but performs like a heavy-duty professional rig. From a rumored 1-inch Titan sensor to the inclusion of LiDAR technology once reserved for enterprise drones, this hardware is shaping up to be a total game-changer for creators worldwide. The drone industry has long been defined by a single challenge: how much high-end technology can be crammed into a frame that weighs less than 249 grams. This weight limit is the gold standard for hobbyists and professionals alike, because in major markets like the United States, United Kingdom, and Europe, staying under this threshold means bypassing the strictest registration hurdles. Historically, choosing a mini drone meant sacrificing image quality for convenience. However, the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to be the first in its class to move away from the standard smaller sensors and finally embrace a full 1-inch CMOS Titan sensor. For those capturing high-end travel content or professional real estate shots, this is the leap that changes everything. A larger sensor translates to better light intake, significantly less noise during those difficult blue-hour shoots, and a dynamic range that finally rivals much larger aircraft. We are hearing consistent reports of 6K video capabilities at 60 frames per second. This isn't just a bump in resolution. It is about providing the overhead to crop into footage for vertical social media platforms without losing the crisp, professional edge that premium audiences demand. Beyond the raw sensor size, there is a technical evolution coming to the lens: assembly. One of the most persistent requests from the community has been the addition of a variable aperture. If you have ever shot in the bright midday sun of a desert or the reflective snow of the mountains, you know the frustration of constantly swapping neutral density filters to maintain a cinematic shutter speed. Leaks suggest that DJI might finally introduce a physical variable aperture on the Mini 6 Pro. If this comes to fruition, it effectively removes the primary reason many professionals still carry much larger, more expensive drones. Having total exposure control mid-flight allows for seamless transitions from a dark forest canopy into a sun-drenched clearing, adjusting the f-stop on the fly without ever landing the aircraft. Safety and autonomy are also seeing a massive upgrade. While previous models featured omnidirectional sensing, they often struggled in low-light environments where the visual cameras couldn't clearly see obstacles. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to integrate Nightscape LiDAR. This light detection and ranging system pulses lasers to map the surroundings in 3 dimensions. This means the drone does not need light to see a tree branch or a power line. It could theoretically navigate a complex environment in near-total darkness with the same precision it has during high noon. For creators pushing the boundaries of nighttime cinematic B-roll, this serves as the ultimate insurance policy, making the drone nearly uncrashable even in the most demanding conditions. The transmission system is the backbone of the flight experience, and we are expecting the debut of the O5 system. This represents a leap toward a 20-kilometer range with a high-definition live feed that remains stable even in high-interference urban environments. The most groundbreaking whisper, however, involves the potential for integrated 5G connectivity. An internal eSIM or a modular attachment would allow the drone to switch to cellular data if the primary radio signal is obstructed by buildings or terrain. This would offer virtually unlimited range as long as cellular service is available, providing a level of connection security that has never been seen in a consumer-level drone of this size. Battery life remains a critical factor for any pilot, and the Mini 6 Pro is looking to set a new benchmark. Through the use of more efficient motors and a new high-density battery chemistry, rumors point toward a staggering 55 to 60-minute flight time. Being able to stay in the air for a full hour on a single charge is transformative. It allows a pilot to capture a sunset, the transition into twilight, and the first appearance of city lights all in a single flight. While the specialized high-capacity batteries would likely push the drone over the 249-gram limit, the standard batteries are still expected to provide a very respectable 40 minutes of flight time while remaining within the weight regulations. The physical design is also seeing refinements aimed at stealth and efficiency. While it maintains the classic folding architecture, the Mini 6 Pro is expected to feature a new aerodynamic profile. Redesigned propellers with curved tips are rumored to make this the quietest drone DJI has ever produced. For those who fly, in quiet parks or residential areas, this low-noise profile is a major benefit, allowing for a more discreet presence in the sky. It is about capturing the perfect shot without drawing unnecessary attention to the aircraft. Regarding the timeline, based on historical release patterns and recent regulatory filings, a late 2026 release window is the most likely target. This aligns with the global holiday shopping season, when demand for premium electronics is at its peak. In terms of investment, the inclusion of high-end components like LiDAR and a 1-inch sensor suggests a slight price increase. Projections put the starting price for the drone at approximately $899, with a comprehensive package including a new remote controller potentially reaching $1,100. That new controller is rumored to be the RC3, featuring an ultra-bright 1500 nit screen that ensures visibility even under direct, harsh sunlight. For the modern content creator, the traveler, or the tech enthusiast, the Mini 6 Pro is looking like the device that finally eliminates the compromise between size and power. It is no longer just a small drone or a beginner's tool. It is a professional-grade cinema platform that happens to fit in a jacket pocket. The boundary between the portable Mini series and the professional Mavic line is blurring, and with this upcoming release, that line may disappear entirely. Every leaked specification points toward a future where the best camera is truly the one you can always have with you. As the technology moves closer to an official announcement, the excitement within the industry is reaching a fever pitch. This isn't just an incremental update, it is a fundamental shift in what we can expect from small-scale aerial technology. Furthermore, this release signals a significant pivot in how AI and machine learning will dictate flight paths. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to debut an enhanced version of ActiveTrack that utilizes deep learning algorithms to predict subject movement with uncanny accuracy. This means even if you are mountain biking through thick brush or weaving between city architecture, the drone will maintain a perfect lock, calculating the most cinematic angles in real time. This level of autonomy effectively turns the drone into a personal director, allowing solo creators to achieve complex shots that previously required a two-person crew. It is clear that DJI is not just selling hardware anymore, but an intelligent ecosystem designed to lower the barrier between a creative vision and a finished masterpiece.